All right, next we're gonna do the front rise. The front rise is measured from the top of the waistband. If you're at a website and they say from the waistband seam or something like that, then it's from here. Most that I know, and especially for us, we do top of the waistband. Okay, so we start at the top edge of the waistband. And we go down, try to get out the bumps, the gathers. Try not to have any slack in it, and you want to take it straight as possible. This is 11 1/4. Back rise is similar to the front rise. As you're going to come up to the top of the edge, you're going to start at the seam and straighten the jeans as much as possible without stretching them out. Set this right at the seam and kind of roll your way up towards the top edge of the waistband without stretching the jeans out, but straightening them out. And we got 16 3/4.